If you don't know about the recent changes in PTE, make sure you save this video before it's too late and share it with as many people as you can. I will tell you how to deal with this problem, and also before that I will tell you what the problem is for those of you who are watching the video for the first time. As per a recent PTE update which happened in June 2025, now there is a very loud beep sound which is coming in most of the speaking tasks. Earlier also there was a beep sound in most of the speaking tasks except in repeat sentence and answer short questions. Now that beep sound has become very loud. It's so loud that most of the people have started complaining that it's affecting their way they are presenting the test. It's actually causing a hurting sensation in the ears. So PTE is aware of that, and actually as per our experience, a lot of students who had taken the test last week, for some reason many of them are still waiting for their scores as well. If you are one of them, please do mention in the comments how long you have been waiting for your scorecard if your test happened last week. Now the beep sound, which is very loud, has also been introduced in the task of repeat sentence. Now that actually is a good change. Repeat sentence is the second task in PT. Earlier the audio ended, the actual sentence audio finished. After that there was a gap of 1 or 2 seconds, after which the recording bar started. And we had to rely on the recording bar. As soon as we see it, we are supposed to start speaking our sentence. Now there is a loud beep sound, which is actually a good thing because you don't have to rely on assumptions. You hear a beep sound and then you start speaking. But again, that can be very distracting at the same time. So that is the biggest change. Other than that, there are minor changes in the user interface of the test also, because of which some students are surprised and startled at the start of the test. So please don't be surprised if you see a slightly different user interface in the speaking part. This is only in the speaking part and no other sections. Now, how to deal with this beep sound problem? Well, the solution is quite simple. Wherever you're practicing, whether it's at home, at your institute, my suggestion is, and that's been my suggestion from day one, even before the beep sound was very loud, always practice in a loud environment, which means there is some disturbance on in your background. It could be YouTube videos, it could be some test center simulation noises, so that your brain gets acquainted to that kind of disturbance. When your brain is ready to tackle that kind of disturbance, in the exam it will be a cakewalk. Means it's going to be pretty easy in the real exam if your mind is expecting that to happen. I think that's the simplest solution. And one more suggestion is always take speaking tests with the headset, which has obviously a mic. Don't take speaking tests at home without a mic. So basically without a headset. That will give you an exact simulation of the real exam day, what's going to happen. And as I said, keep some disturbance on in the background. If you are looking for some assistance in cracking your PTE, IELTS or NATI CCL exams, you can reach out to us. Our number will be there in the comment section. Make sure you contact us for our deals which are going on as part of the end of the financial year sale deal. I'm Malcolm. Good luck. Thank you.